Hello, dear friends. Corel Mel here with Key Lifestyle Solutions. Today we're going to talk about experiencing loss. What does that mean exactly? And how does that affect our intuition? It can affect our intuition a great deal if our perception of the loss is devastating. And it could show up in many ways. It could be a death of a loved one, it could be loss of a job, it could be loss of a friend, it could be loss of a client. And so we really have to pay attention to how does that affect my intuition. First of all, we have to look at the energy that is connected with this loss and to also recognize, are we identifying ourselves with this particular loss? This is where the inner work comes in, to actually go a little deeper and acknowledge the emotion that is there. Even though we're experiencing sadness, it might be a deeper emotion experienced as a young child, perhaps. Or we've experienced it sometime in our life, and now we're having the same kind of pain. And when that pain is there, we don't actually have our intuition turned on. We're more concerned about what is happening with this loss. And many people do identify themselves with a loss, that if that thing, person, event is over, then you're over. But that's not true. You actually continue on. In most cases, you continue on. So there's one thing to recognize. What is the giveaway of this loss for you? What is there to learn? And also, what does that mean about how you look at yourself? So meditation would come in very handy to go deeper with where are you feeling that emotion, and also how is it affecting your body? Do you feel pain? Are you depressed? Do you feel sick? There's many different clues how the body is responding, and these could be old patterns and programs that have been underneath the surface, and now they're there for you to look at. This could be a very hard thing to work through on your own, but nonetheless, you can certainly do that. If you're an experienced meditator, that you've done it, you know what it feels like in your body, then just find those spots within yourself and go through a process of releasing. And then forgiveness to self, and then accept the gift that's there for you, that it gave you to help improve your life and why you're here. So I hope that helps. Please like, subscribe, and share. And we will be having more Q&A webinars about the Complete Intuitive Excellence Program. So please watch for those emails when they come through, and sign up or give me a shout through an email that you would like to attend. Have a super great day.